Is that your social security number?
That's his date of birth.
What's going on?
Mine. Josh, are you hearing any of this?
I hear you guys yelling and laughing.
Do you hear my stream?
Yeah.
Do you hear them talking?
Who is them?
BB.
Women.
The woman?
Carl Wheezer, obviously.
Oh.
Ah!
Nicholas.
Be quiet. I'm not on my best, especially since I'm being berated by Carl Wheezer because they have this shit.
Spike planted.
Yes, I agree. They are over there.
Nah.
So we got the enemy team saying stuff like, "Thank you, my love." I was scratching my belly button. Damn. I'll
Bro,
scratch
what is that crosshair?
It really is Carl Wheezer.
Josh, I wish you were in this game. I actually wish.
We have
Okay,
to
we
win.
all have our ults.
We have to win.
My friend is insane. What the fuck? Honestly, Carl Weezer's the Caleb. Come on. Just wall off B. Double wall it if you want.
I got stuck.
That's pretty epic.
Resume.
My corpse is in the abyss.
It is. His corpse is in the abyss.
Dude,
There's like 3 of them there.
heal. No game.
Good, they had an Odin too.
Last player standing.
Okay,
Right,
it's all up to Carl Weezer.
Come on, Carl. Carl, you got this.
Enemy removed. 30 seconds.
Come on, Carl.
Spike planted.
I don't know if we're enabling them.
Res?
You're gonna make
You're
me
gonna
retreat.
Last player.
I did.
It's over, maybe? Question mark. Yeah.
No,
Sadness.
Carl.
Win.
Pain.
Where the fuck is Carl?